May 25, 2024. So today is the last day of our finals and also my last week of being a freshman. I have finally decided na mag-commit na sa vlogging. I should have done this last year pa to document my freshman life. Pero, ayun. So, today's agenda, guys. Tatapusin ko lang muna yung mga outputs ko since it's the last day na nga of our finals. And then later, 5 something, may fun run kami. So, medyo excited na ako kasi this is also my first time na mag-join sa fun run. It's currently 1 PM. So, later mag-eat na ako ng brunch kasi hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast kasi late na rin ako nagising. And then, I'm gonna get ready na and then meet up with my friend. I'll try to, like, not forget na mag-video kasi guys, nakakalimutan ko talaga. So, yes. See you later. Hey guys, so pabalik na kami. Ayan si Lai. Bini, ang tropiko. Ba't tumahimik na kayo? Ay, hindi. Akala ko nag-vlog ka. Go lang. Next is mag-make na siguro ako ng breakfast ko. It's already 8 something AM. Siguro magna-9 na, I don't know. Pero I'm also doing my laundry para later I will pack my things na kasi the day after the concert is uuwi na ako sa house namin. So I need to pack my things later na para tomorrow concert na lang. kasi pupunta lang muna ako ng school and then magpapa-manicure and pedicure lang ako for tomorrow. So, ayun. Mag-shoes lang ako and then I'm ready to go na. Guys. So, ayun. Epic fail yung errands ko today. Kasi, actually hindi. Sa school, natapos ko yung mga need kong gawin. But, yung nail appointment ko, actually hindi appointment kasi nag-walk-in lang ako. Fully booked sila ngayon. And then, nag-chat naman ako kagabi sa kanila. Actually, dyan na sila sa tapat ng dorm. If like, pwede naman if walk-in. Sabi nila yes, but syempre pa-prioritize yung mga appointment, and hindi ko naman in-expect na fully booked pala sila, so I'm at fault naman, so okay lang siya. Nagpa-book na lang din ako there tomorrow ng 10 AM, mismong opening nila, kasi 3 yung start ng concert. 2:30 need maayos na ako, and 3 hours ako mag-ayos, guys, believe it or not. By the way, guys, I bought my lunch na from Bok Chicken. It's my favorite. Try nyo. Dapat hindi na ako bibili kasi tomorrow ito rin yung lunch ko para hindi na ako magluto. Sobrang bagal ko kumilos. So, after siguro mag-nails, bibili na lang din ako. Actually, 11 pa yung open yan, pero it's fine. And then, sakto on my way back here, dumating na yung essentials ko for tomorrow, guys. Mga bag, ganyan. Kala ko bukas pa siya dadating. So this is my final look for today's concert. So supposedly, ito lang siya. Pero since may dress code, need ko mag-cover up. And then balak ko tanggalin na lang siya doon. Pag mainit, of course. Pero yun, tayo pwedeng lumabag sa dress code kasi hindi tayo makakapasok. So here's the final look, guys.
Pag-pushing to August 2024. During Saturday, this weekend, akala namin uulan na malakas.
Guys, hi sa vlog.
Baka di matuloy yung
Pangalawang ano nyo na to? Ano to na, girl?
ngayon.
Dami nyo ng screen time sa vlog ko.
Pwede ko naman yung kayo, I would do that. Pero again guys, maraming salamat.
Sharp objects are strictly prohibited. Our security team will be roaming around to ensure everyone's safety.
Wow, thank you so much. Okay, JL.
Hey guys, so
Cash again.
it's us. Lagi na lang kayo, hindi na napakita sila.
Lagi umaawit.
Umaawit mula usina hanggang sa sala. Epekto ng B. So, tapos na kami sa concert. And pagod na kami. Oh my God! Guys, ito na pagod. Hi guys! So, today is time to go home. And it's already 12 p.m. Ang plan ko is to go home nung 10 a.m. But nagising ako na late kasi sobrang napagod ako yesterday sa concert. And ayun, but before going home, mag-aayos muna ako dito sa dorm kasi sobrang messy ngayon ng situation dito sa dorm, especially yesterday. Kasi I was packing my things and my clothes na iuuwi ko. And yung mga gamit ako na hindi ko pa mapack since gagamitin ko siya yesterday before concert. And gagamitin ko siya now, like my makeups and my essentials and everything. So, ginawa ko, pinagsama-sama ko na lang siya sa table para like, alam ko na kung saan ko kukunin. Pero, I still need to sweep the floor and everything kasi sobrang messy talaga right now. I'm still doing some of my laundries, guys, kasi ayoko umuwi nung nilalabad pa ako. Hindi pa siya tapos. Some of it, parang nagamit ko siya kahapon. So, yun. So, I just finished getting ready. And hindi naman siya nag-makeup kasi uuwi na rin ako. Uuwi na lang rin naman ako. And naayos ko na yung mga things ko na dadalhin ko sa bahay. And then naayos ko na rin yung mga things ko here sa dorm na iiwan ko. And to be honest, I enjoyed this vlog considering that it's my first time. And I want to continue vlogging, guys, and I will continue. So hope you guys like it, and thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog.